Brand new 3754 Deere. I think this is the biggest one. I got the 25 series. Sitting in a borrow pit, loading up gravel for a road. It's got a lot of swing on it, a lot of counter swing. It's like the old Cat 235 days. It's a straight Roadbuilder, no auxiliary plumbing for quick change, heel, and grapple or nothing. It's just a digger. Still got the plastic on the seat. I think I've only had that thrill once. Left it on for like 485 hours till it kind of disintegrated. That's got to be awful close to $500,000 or even on the high side of it.